Good morning, student. What a lovely weather today. So, with the weather, let us start with a new topic, that is degree of comparison. You people have learnt adjectives before. In this video, we are going to learn about the degrees of comparison. Comparative degree, superlative degree and the positive degree. So, let us look at the video and learn something new. So students, let us move to the textual exercises of degree of comparison. I hope you have understood the topic clearly. Now moving to your textual exercises, let us look at the screen. Degree of comparison. Look at these sentences. Suresh is fat. Mohan is fatter than Suresh. Ramesh Chand is the fattest of the three. Here in these sentences, the word fat, fatter and fattest have been used as adjectives. All the three are different form of the same adjective fat. What is the adjective here? Fat is the main adjective used here. In sentence 1, we are not comparing Suresh with any other man. We are just saying that Suresh is fat. In sentence 2, we are comparing two persons, Suresh and Mohan, and saying that Mohan is fatter than Suresh. In the second sentence, we are comparing two persons, and listen carefully that what word we have used here. Yes, you guessed it right. It is the word then. In the third sentence, we are comparing more than two persons. Three persons in fact, and saying that Ramchand is the fattest of the three. So, out of the three, what word we have used here? The, T-H-E, the. So, as I have told you in the previous video, that wherever you find the word used the word in the sentence, you will be using superlative degree for that particular sentence. So, we use adjective to compare person or things. When we make these comparisons, the adjective we use change their form. We have seen that some adjective have three forms. We say that some adjective have 3 degrees of comparison. They are positive degree, comparative degree and the superlative degree. We use the positive degree of an adjective when we are not making any comparison. So, this degree is used with one person or one thing only. We use the comparative degree of an adjective when we are comparing two persons or two things. We use the superlative degree of an adjective when we are comparing more than two persons or things, or more than two groups of persons or things. So, read these examples which are given below. Great will become greater, and in the superlative degree, greatest. We will be changing their form to from positive to comparative by adding er, and in superlative we will be adding simply the word est to the adjective. Some adjectives do not follow any of the rules given above. So, we try to remember their comparative and superlative degrees. As I have told you before, bad will become worse and worst, far will become farther and farthest, good, better, best, little, less, least, many or much will become more and most, old will become older and oldest. Now, these examples which are given in your textbook and on this slide also, you have to learn it by heart for your further references. It will be easier for you to write it if you will learn it by heart. Speak out the comparative and superlative degree of these adjectives. What will be the superlative degree of fat? Yes, fattest. Rich, comparative degree, richer. Wide, superlative degree, widest. Okay students, a syllable. What is a syllable? A syllable is a single unit of speech, either a whole word or one of the part into which a word is divided when it is spoken. Big is one syllable. Now speak water. Water. So when you are opening your mouth twice, it shows that you are using two syllable. Beautiful. Beautiful. So here we are using three syllable. Farther and farthest convey the idea of distance. Further and furthest, that is of position. It shows the position. So these are the some degree of comparison in which positive degree is used. The rabbit is as clever as the fox. Govind is as sincere as Rahim. Now you have to frame some similar sentencings using these words. Bunty, Reema, the dancer, the aunt, Mr. Lal. Look at these sentences. Oranges are dearer than bananas. Javed is more intelligent. So, using the comparative degree, you have to make sentences on these given words. Look at these sentences again. Sushil is the best friend I have. Juhi is the tallest girl in the class. Listen class, very carefully read it. You will find the word the is being used in this sentences. So what does it denote? Yes, you guessed it right, that we have to use the superlative degree in these sentences. So I would like to refer to these textual exercises, and I will be discussing these exercises with you in the class. For now, you have to take care and read these properly, understanding the concept of degree of comparison as have been told in the previous video and in this video. So get thorough with this. I will be asking you questions regarding this chapter. So I hope you are clear with your doubts. Now thank you for watching. Take care.